Hello everyone. Today we are going to be working on one of my Satsuki azaleas. It is a pink flowering one. It is in flower and we will share it with you in its full glory. So stay tuned. Hey, it's me, Iqbal Khan. If you have not yet subscribed to mikbonsai, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to subscribe and receive notifications as I upload new videos. This is the Satsuki Azalea. It's in flower. Not all the buds have opened. Some buds are half open, some are still opening, and some are still at its early stages of formation. But I thought we'd catch it now, otherwise we'd miss it. So we're going to clean up the pot. This is the top of the pot, very overgrown with weeds, and we are going to start tidying up the pot, remove the weeds, and there's a lot of debris, dead leaves from neighboring trees, and we'll make a start and catch up shortly. We are slowly getting there. The weeds are being removed and there's still a few more left, and at the same time I'm plagued by the planes, so we will catch up shortly. We have cleaned up the top of the pot and added some chicken pallets and also topped up with some bonsai soil. I'm going to give it a quick watering. The soil at the bottom is watered, but it's just the newly topped up soil that I'm going to water. We're now looking at the trunk of the tree where it meets the soil. The taper is quite nice and the root flare is also quite good. It will have good surface roots very soon, and we will expose more of them when we repot. This is a close-up of the flowers on the left-hand side of the tree. I'll try and sort of go to the top, and that's the top of the tree, which is the apex. And as I said earlier, there are buds up there all over the tree which have not yet opened. You can see a few at the top, and I'll just turn to the right. There we are, another one at the top. And there's another one there. There's loads of buds which have yet to open, and that's what it's looking like at the moment. And unfortunately I'm plagued by the planes, so you just have to bear with us. There we are, folks, the Satsuki Azalea, nicely tidied up, all the dead branches removed. We've removed all the weeds and debris from the pot, topped up with some fresh soil, and we've also mixed in some chicken pellets to help it grow this season. I'll give it a quick turn, and there we go, full of flowers. I love it when these trees are in flower. And that is where we started. It's exactly a week to the day since I last worked on it, and the work included earlier in this video. I had to wait a week for it to finish flowering, and all the flower buds are open and some of the flowers have started falling off, and a lot happens in 1 week when the trees are flowering. I'll give it a quick turn so we can see it from all sides. That's the back of the tree, and this is where we started. Thanks for watching. This is Iqbal Khan for mikbonsai in West London. Until the next time. And now for the afterthought. My dad suggested I register for a donor card. He's a man after my own heart. You dig?